Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna bring you an update on Crypto Blade. Basically, I've come to like the end of the grinding period, and after that, basically I have grinded for 8 days. So I'm gonna show you the progress and stuff like this. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And let's get started. So basically, we're gonna do a short introduction. What is Crypto Blade all about? Basically, it is a 2D game. Basically somehow like 2D, 3D, and after that, like Battle On or stuff like this. If you guys have played the game before, it's just an interactive game just by clicking a little bit of buttons and stuff like this, and from there you can generate some money just by playing games. And after that, I would say that it is running on Binance Smart Chain, so you will need to have BNB in order to get started. And after that, I'm going to link everything down below for you guys to get started if you guys are interested in. And after that, basically we are going to just talk about the grinding process and stuff like this. So basically, before we head over there, I'm gonna show you another way where you can generate the skill token. So over here on PancakeSwap itself, you can see that you can basically own Cake itself. Basically, what is Cake? Basically, it's a decentralized exchange coin. It is called a Cake token. Basically, you need to own the token itself, and after that, from there you can stake as high as 100 cakes, and after that, from there you can generate like passive income of skills, and after that, from there you can use it to basically reinvest in the game, or basically cash out. Is totally up to you and it's your choice. So this is one of the option where you can basically get skill token for free. And after that, over here, yeah, basically on PancakeSwap, if you guys want to buy pancakes, you can use the referral link down below on Binance. First of all, if you want to get into the Crypto Blade ecosystem, you need to have BNB, and after that, from there, from BNB you need to convert it to skill. And after that, from, let's say, if you want to have some pancakes itself, you will also need to have Binance token itself to transact, and after that to fill all the everything on the Binance Smart Chain. And after that, the next thing we want to talk about is my personal update. So before we talk about my personal update, I would like to let you guys know about this company, which is called Huddle Invest. Basically, this platform over here, it is a passive income platform which you can legit generate passive income. And as of over here, you see, if let's say you put in US Tether and you lock up for 365 days, you are potentially earning over $1,000 in total on 365 days. And after that, I would say that Huddle Invest is a platform where you can generate passive income. And of course, yeah, I would say that I've been with them for like almost a year, and basically I generated quite a lot of money over there, and I would say that you guys can check it out if you guys are interested. So over here, we're gonna talk about my update. So over here, you can see that I've already done the staking, and after that it has already been completed. The timeline has been completed, so right now I can unstake my coin right away. And of course, bear in mind that if let's say I unstake it right now, I will need to, if let's say I'm gonna stake again, compound my interest or whatsoever, I will need to wait for another 7 days. Therefore, I would say that what am I supposed to do right now, because as we all know that the price of skill itself is going sideways around this level, which I'm gonna do a price prediction later. And after that, basically it is still going sideways and stuff like this. Therefore, I'm not really keen to cash out right now. Therefore, I'm still holding my money, and after that, basically holding the skill, and eventually reach to the price of my entry price, and I will start selling or whatsoever. It's totally my own choice, and after that it's up to you guys. So yeah, basically over here, if let's say you already have finished your staking period of 7 days, and right now you guys are a little bit confused because let's say you have grinded and stuff like this, and basically you receive some skill that is being lock as well, and after that you want to basically unlock it as well, you can do it. Just head over to the stake, click on skill for skill, click on it, stake, and after that, from there you can just choose the option stake on whatever is this. So I'm just gonna do a live demonstration over here to show you guys that if let's say you stake after your timer has been resetted, which you can unstake your coins. And after that, if let's say if you stake new coins itself, will it reset the timer? Basically it will not reset the timer. And after that, yeah, basically it's an interesting thing to find out. So for you guys, if you guys want to basically withdraw your funds, you can, yeah, basically over here has really been restaked, and after that basically reinvested into the staking. And after that, I can just unstake it by clicking the option over here. If I click on unstake, I will basically receive all the skill that I have been staking with them. And after that, from there I can sell it off the second on a decentralized exchange or whatsoever. It's totally up to my choice. So for you guys, if you guys want to do that, you also can do that. And after that, the next thing we're going to talk about is Crypto Blade, basically the price prediction. So for the price prediction itself, as we all know that Crypto Blade has been flying high, and after that dropping fast as well. And after that, we can see that the price has been stabilizing. So I would say that this range over here, at around $50, I would say around $50. Yep, around this range itself, this is one of the very crucial support and resistance line. Therefore, if we broke down this line, if we break below $50, I would say that we are looking at around this price over here at around $20, which is the next support if let's say skew token goes sideways or whatsoever. So this is one of the two supports that you might want to look out for, which is the $50 level over here, and after that basically for the next level is straight away all the way down towards $20, this level itself. So if let's say we manage to break the resistance, so where is the resistance right now? So I would say the resistance is over here at $76 or $77 plus minus. At the range itself, this is one of the resistance that CryptoBlade have to break through. So once we break through this resistance, we might see another resistance or at around like $90, and after that eventually, if let's say we can manage to break the $90 zone, we will eventually head up all the way up to basically this zone as well. This zone is also one of the resistance, 120 something over dollars, and eventually, yeah, basically if you want to see the price of skew go high fast or basically to the moon like most of you guys want to, and after that I would say that first of all, the development wise, they are now developing, and I would say that improving the whole ecosystem. Therefore that basically during this period itself, the announcement of the new update itself, many people are unhappy about it because basically you cannot earn money as fast as previously. But of course, I would say it's also good for it's more healthier for the ecosystem. If let's say you are playing for something, playing a game, and after that it's generating you like basically $600 over every day, it is not sustainable at all. Therefore I would say that to make it more sustainable, they are trying to basically reduce the rewards, and after that from there we are able to see more how I put it, more progress and development doing on CryptoBlade itself. So basically I've come to basically almost the end of the video, and after that, if let's say you guys are really like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification, and of course I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace, bye bye.